Soon after the news of Imanae's tragic loss on the second day of Eid al-Adha, a website was launched by her family. Besides updates on the investigations, court proceedings and other developments on the case, the site also has images and videos of Imanae. A week later, her family launched a massive awareness campaign. Billboards were erected all along Lahore's main roads. And then her story made its way to social networking fora like Facebook and Twitter. And therein lie the seeds of a new movement. But Imanae's parents' struggle did not end there. A candlelight memoriam is organized every evening by her family and friends at the Liberty Roundabout in Lahore.
We demand government and judiciary to shut this hospital down while this inquiry is going on. I humbly request all the politicians, do not politicize this incident.
Joining the ranks of this new movement against inept doctors are individuals who have stories very similar to that related by Imanae's family, and those who have simply had it with such an inhuman medical system.
To one girl, like everyone else gets to find out what the negligence of the doctors can do. And that just makes me really scared. How can you trust anyone, especially a doctor?
अगर आप life is safe नहीं है इस मुल्क में, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं?
We want to get justice for Imanae, justice for the coming children of the country.
Leaflets are handed out to passers-by during this peaceful demonstration. A message from this bereaved family calling on others to participate in their struggle to avert such tragedies in the future.
These candles have been lit by the people who have come here to support Imanae's family and their cause. And while they light the candles, they have also vowed to continue the struggle until those responsible for her death are brought to justice. Saif, Dawn News, Lahore.